Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So sideways movement still continuing, and at the moment we have what is looking like a classic flag, strong move up flag, and this is also a typical consolidation triangle when there's some big noise coming into the market, and that noise at the moment is the Fed's statement later tonight. So, yeah, I don't think we're going to see any moves this morning. I think there's any real catalyst that's going to drive us this morning. If you look at this on the 3-hour, oscillators easing off quite nicely in amongst the moving averages. No real direction just yet. So, if you get down to the hour, you can see we are gradually sort of grinding lower, but we're also setting up higher lows as well. So for me at the moment, we're going to need to basically clear the highs of yesterday or clear the lows of yesterday. That's, to me, is the top and bottom of this range. So we need to clear one of those before we can actually get in on a trade. So yeah, this is just yet another one of wait and see. Yes, look at yesterday's price action, complete chaos. Absolute chaos, no real direction, no real structure, just algorithms that are trying to scalp as much money as they can out of the market. And it's been like that for 3 days, 4 days actually. So yeah, for me, I think the wise thing to do would be to just sit back and ignore this. Don't even bother trying to find levels. You've got a diagonal, you've got two diagonals, and I think you're going to be sort of held in between those diagonals until later tonight. Once the Feds are finished with their song and dance, depending on what they say, we're either going up or we're going down. And I would just look for the breaks and retests of the daily highs there, daily high and daily low. But I don't think I would want to be doing that today, so I think I will take today off. I'm not going to even bother looking at the charts. There's nothing really on the indexes, and there's really nothing here worth trading. I'm not even going to read out levels because there aren't any as far as I'm concerned, apart from the highs and lows of yesterday. Anyway, wait and see it is. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.